Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a health over length video, which simply means I will be getting rid of my split ends. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. So guys, as you can see, my hair is filled with split ends. Not only that, I have uneven ends. So we're going to get rid of two things, the split ends, and we're going to even out the ends as much as possible. Okay, so I'm going to start at the front where my bang is located. Then I'm going to work side to side, then the middle, and then I work my way to the back. Just the way I'm doing. So one of the few things you want to look out for when you're trimming your split ends, or you want to identify split ends, is those flyaways. You know them ear that we can't stay one place, them just keep sticking through. Those are split ends. Now when you're looking for ends that are uneven, one of the few things that you can also look out for is when you can see through your hair. Now, whenever you can't see through your hair, you know it's a problem today, trouble today. Get rid of it. Okay, so now we're at the back of my hair. Now, as you can see, I'm not going to part my hair horizontally. I'm going to part it vertically, and then I'm going to trim off those loose and dead ends. Okay, so we're almost through with the trimming. So the next step is to get rid of those dead ends on our edges, just the way I'm doing. Woo! So guys, let me tell you, my hair is feeling much better. It's feeling more healthier. Of course, I miss my long hair, but I can't miss something well long and damaged. I have to work with health over length. You get me? Okay, so we're going to move on to the next procedure, which is curling the ends of my hair. Now, curling the ends of my hair, I'm going to be using my flat iron instead of my curling rods or my setters, my ruler setters. So curling the ends will actually give me a bouncier ending, of course, and also help me to wrap my hair without any hassle or struggle. Just wait for it, guys. Look where girl I come from. Look where girl reach. Of course, it's a lot shorter, but I don't mind. Elf over length, of course. It's feeling much better. It's looking much better. I'm enjoying this new look, of course. My ear shorter, but I don't mind. Elf over length. Now we've come to the end of this video. I do hope that this video was very informative. I do hope that I was able to share how I trim my split ends and get my hair even at home without going to the salon. Now, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!